the latest from Windows and greatest from Mac. That's Parallels Desktop 5 for Mac. It's the #1 software for running thousands and thousands of Windows programs on your Mac, including 32-bit and 64-bit Windows or Snow Leopard, along with 60 different operating systems, all without compromise, all without rebooting. So, what's that really like? See for yourself. Dive in and take a closer look. Let's start with the basics. If you're making the big switch to a Mac, not a problem. Use Parallels Transporter to move all your stuff. Files, pictures, music, even your programs or entire virtual machines. Just 3 clicks and you're done. From there, getting started is simple enough. In fact, it's just like starting up any other application. Just click on the Parallels icon in the dock. Click on the Windows 7 icon, and you're on your way. Now take a look at the Parallels menu bar at the top of the screen. Head up there and select your viewing mode. This is where you can choose how much or how little of the Windows experience you want to use. As you can see, you have a lot of options. So, let's say you're new to the Mac and you want to stick with the Windows look and feel, at least for right now. Just go ahead and select Windowed mode. Launch an application, and there it is, complete with the Windows 7 arrow effects. Next, open up Keynote, and you can see that this is a great way to quickly switch back and forth between different Mac and Windows apps. And if you want even more of the Windows 7 look and feel, go ahead and select the full screen mode. Just as the name implies, this mode gives you a fully immersive display that really makes it feel like working on a Windows machine. Now check this out. Roll up to the corner of the screen. That's the Mac's active corners at work, which lets us switch over to a favorite viewing mode that you select. Here we have set it for the windowed mode, so let's head back up to the View menu and give Coherence mode a try. Quite the difference. In Coherence mode, all your Mac and Windows apps are right there in the dock, totally side by side. Just go ahead and click the Outlook icon in the dock. And there it is, Outlook on the Mac with all its functionality. Now take a look at the dock again. You'll see the Windows Start menu, which gives you full access to all the applications and tools that Windows 7 offers. And of course, you still have access to all of the Parallels desktop menus. Crystal mode brings you even closer to the full Mac experience. Note that the Start menu is out of the dock and up in the taskbar. Nice and low key. If you have Windows apps pinned in the dock, you can launch them from here, just like you did before. Plus, you can access all the rest of your Windows apps from the Windows folder on the dock. Now, let's open up some apps and explore just a few of the smart features that'll save lots of time. Here's one big headache you can avoid. Take a look at the way Parallels Desktop 5 copies and pastes formatted text. Let's say you create a design in Pages. You got the type just right, the formatting, the image, everything. Now you want to send it off in an email. Just copy the image and the text, create a new email in Outlook, and paste it right there. Simple. And look at that, all your formatting is completely preserved, and so is all your hard work. And for people who love using Apple gestures on their trackpad, here's good news. They're totally supported in Windows applications. Go ahead, use a combination of 2-finger scrolling and 3-finger panning across a highly detailed map, or just zip around with a few swipes. Now give it a few pinches to zoom in, and then zoom out again. Very nice. Now you may be thinking, sounds great, but will my devices work? The answer is yes, thanks to our improved USB support. It's all plug and play, and it supports thousands of devices, from cameras to printers to navigation systems, you name it. Let's plug in a camera for the first time. And check it out, you can assign it to whatever system you want, Mac, Windows, or both. Devices for PC now work on Mac and vice versa. Just make your selection and you're good to go. Now you're ready to download some photos. One thing you'll notice right away is how quickly it goes. That's because our fast USB speed just got faster, 20% faster than what's out there today. Think of the time you'll save, especially when you're moving lots of large files. From there, you can push your Mac even harder. Our virtual machine performance is now 3 times faster than before. Plus, tests proved that our last release served up Windows programs and 3D graphics the fastest. And now we made Parallels Desktop 5 even better, 7 times better. It's no wonder that Autodesk, the leader in 2D and 3D design, engineering, and entertainment software, recommends Parallels Desktop 5 as the preferred solution for running their Windows-based applications on a Mac. Faster, smarter, more powerful. That's Parallels Desktop 5 for Mac. The latest of Windows and greatest of Mac, all without rebooting. See for yourself. Get your free trial right now or buy your copy today.